a mobile wallet transaction with this app. It's a new application. I'm going to log in to my account. So here's my dashboard on the application. I can set my virtual phone. I can buy. I can add credit to my wallet. But now I'm going to show you how to fund your wallet. And after you fund your wallet, it will be approved. And when it is approved, you can also send money from your wallet to another user in the application. Okay, we'll take you through this process. So let's go to fund accounts. I'm going to fund. Let me fund 5,000 to my wallet. Just put this. It's optional. It's not compulsory. Great. So I'm going to click on fund. So now, when funding, you're going to ask me which method I'm going to use to do funding. Okay, so I can choose I can choose Paystack to fund it, or I can do manual funding. So let me go with Paystack funding. I'm going to click on Paystack funding. So you're going to process Paystack checkout for me. So I'm going to click on this because this Paystack integration right now is on a test mode. So that we are seeing success, bank authentication, and decline. Once the application is deployed in live server, the test mode will change to live mode. Then you are going to enter your credit card directly. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to click on pay. Great. Tell me say payment successful. Get it. I'm getting notification, email alert. You get it. You get that sound. That is email notification. Okay. So let's check it. Right here. The account funding notification. So right now I've successfully funded my wallet. Okay, but you see it is pending right now. It's pending because they need to approve it to know if I actually made the transaction or not. So once it's approved, it will reflect in my account. So first, let's go and check my account balance to see what I have. So let's go to my profile and go to wallet. Right now, I have 59,000 balance. Then this is my 5,000 I just created now, but it's still pending. Okay, so we are going to wait for it to be approved, and when it's approved, the balance is going to reflect in our application. Okay, and even if we refresh the app right now, you can see nothing is happening. The balance is not updating. Okay, because it cannot be approved by the company. And this app is designed for virtual fund buying and selling. If you're interested in doing business for selling virtual fund, this application is for you. Or interested in doing or develop application for bill payments, whatever kind might be, this application is meant for you. And if you have virtual fund that you want to sell out, like paper, Ethereum, Bitcoin, you want to sell it out to a reliable dealer with high pay rate, this application is right for you. They sell a high rate than every other dealer out there. Their purpose or their aim is to help freelancers that are working online, that have limitation of selling their paper phone, especially paper phone. Because we understand that so many countries have challenges of using paper. Okay, they don't have access to have verified paper to sell money or receive money and all that. But with this application, you can even request email paper, a verified paper account through this company. They'll give it to you. You can use to receive fund. When you get fund, you can sell it to them, or anywhere else you want to sell it is fine. But I encourage you to use this app because they sell in a high rate and also buy from you in a low rate. You can also do business with them. How? By buying in a low rate from them and later sell it to them again in a high rate. You understand? Yeah, that's it. That's what I think. So I'm a businessman. So the company is registered, licensed to operate. So you are free, you are secure, you are safe to do business with them. Every transaction they do is safe and secure. You can see you check out paper or check out manually. Okay, so let's go and do the manual process. So let me show you how the manual process works. Yeah, the manual process. Okay, not there. I'm going to fund the account. Let me fund the account. The manual process. See the way the manual process work. So I'm going to fund 1,000. So this time I'm not going to enter anything on the purpose because it's optional. I click on. So I'm going to select manual transfer. And you click on manual transfer. Great. See that it works. So it gave me 1 hour to do the transfer. So this after 1 hour, I did not do the transfer to the company. My transaction was cancelled. Okay. So I can click on this view account details. I'll see the company account details right here. It's very easy, swift, easy to navigate, easy to operate. Okay, see, so any of the accounts you want to use, can click, you can just tap to copy anyone. If it's Momo, Zenith Bank or Fidelity Bank, anyone you click and copy, and then you do your transfer to them. And they also tell you how you can do your transfer. Also, you say use your email ID or transaction ID at the sender when making the payment to fast track your account funding, so that you know that okay, you are the one sending it. They'll compare and check their record and say okay, you are the one sending money, your account will be credited instantly, no wasting of time. Within a few minutes, you will receive your funds. Okay, so when you are done with that, you can click on this cancel button or just click on say I made payment. It's good. That's it. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to come back when our transaction have been what approved. The two transaction we make is here, the 1,000 is here, the 5,000 is here. None of them have been what approved. So if we go back to our wallet, click on wallet, see it's still there. If I refresh, it's still there. See the 1,000 is still showing here. It has not been approved. So we'll come back when it's approved to check our account. All right. Thank you. Okay, guys. So now our account has been approved. So think what we'll do, I'm going to refresh our app now and see if the balance will reflect it to show. Refresh our app. Great. You see it instantly. Once we refresh everything display 65,000 because we'll be having 59, right? Yeah, before the account was funded. So now we are having 65,000. Okay, so we see the two transactions approve. Yeah, so these are it works. And the next I'm going to show you is how you can now send funds to another user, just like you are sending money from bank A to another person in another place. For example, account A sending money to account B in the same bank or outside the bank. Okay, it's the same procedure. So I'm going to show you how it works. You can actually transfer money from your wallet to another person's wallet, somebody else's wallet that has an account in the app. So that I'm going to show you right now. So let's go there. I'm going to go and click on send fund. Great. So I'm going to enter this person's tag ID. Tag ID is same thing as account number. So in this play, they are using tag ID. Okay. Yeah. All you need to do to add this person what's your tag ID. So you enter the tag ID. So I have the tag ID here, 78777760. So bring out the person's name instantly. If the name did not show, you know that maybe you are entering a wrong tag ID or the person's account have not been approved. Okay. 3,000. And you'll send 3,000 to the person. We'll click. Alright, I'm going to enter my account pin. I already have my account pin. So I'm going to enter the account pin. Yeah. I'll click it. Great. Tell me your transaction was successful. Thank you for choosing Mapido. Great. You can get that notification email. You get it. You hear that sound. That notification email. Let me show you. You see it. Account debit notification. Right. So everything is working with ease. Instant notification. No waste no time. So I'm gonna close it. I'm done with that. Yeah. So let me check my balance. Let me check my balance. You get it right here. It's now remaining 62,000. I made transfer of 3,000. Initially it was 55. It's around 3,000, so now remains 62,000. That's my balance. Okay, so I'm going to check my history, transaction history. So let's go and check our transaction history and see if you right there. Right here, you see the transaction history. The 3,000 we just make just now is here in-app debits. Because I make it transfer to somebody that have an account in the application. So all this 1,000 was the first that we credited, and this one, the other one we credited. You see, it's credit, but this was what debits. That's it, guys. See, everything is working with ease, flexibly, with a beautiful UI, user-friendly interface, easy to navigate. You get it, easy to navigate. So that's it, guys. If you need the application, let me know. You can also deliver and deploy it to you if you want to use for your business and all that. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. That's it. That's it. So I can check my email, my message, you see 3,000 was successful. So 3,000 was settled. You see right there. Okay, guys. We'll log out right now. Great.